Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the iPhone 13 Pro Max of 512 gigabyte. This is a US version, and let me show you. Now you can see this is iPhone 13 Pro Max. LL means US version and 512 gigabyte. This a gray color. The camera. Okay, this price is about 2,900. This condition. Overall good condition, but the charger port you can see so many scratches here. The SIM card. Okay. The display you can see the display no scratches, no scratches. Oh here are some scratches. Not too many scratches. You can see when I open the light. Oh, it's not. You cannot see it, but when I turn off, you can see it. Okay, the screen, the scratches. Okay, so this price is about 2,900. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Okay, also you can subscribe to my channel. I will make more video about the iPhone and the MacBook. Okay, this is the iPhone. Let me show you the battery. The battery information. Okay, the battery capacity 81%. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm Matt. You can subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.